Hey everybody, this is Larry Gould with Music to Your Inbox, and this week I'm talking renovation loans. They can be conventional or FHA. They're good products in this market because whereas many people might pass over a house that needs repairs or is dated, with a renovation loan you can buy a house and make it the home you want. So if you can't find your dream home, find a house that's run down in your dream location and make it your dream home. Incidentally, we're doing classes for consumers on these products coming up in the near future. So if this is something you're interested in, it could be done with your existing home through a refinance. If you'd like to learn about it and specific details, reach back out to me, and when we put the event on a calendar, you'll be sure to get an invite. My name is Larry Gould, and I spell that U surrounded by gold.